We're starting a new unit today. The name of the unit is Plant Store Food. They're going to learn about plants for food. You'll also be learning in this unit, you'll be learning about organic foods and pesticides. So I need you to remember from last unit that plants make glucose by photosynthesis. Some glucose is stored as starch or changed into other materials so the plant can grow. And biomass is the material in plants except water. So 4 places plants store food are roots, stems, fruits, and seeds. If you take a look at the pictures on the right, you should be able to identify which of these is a root, stem, fruit, and seed. Why plants store food? Plants store food in the summer when there is a lot of sunlight. They use the stored food in the winter when glucose is needed for respiration. In the winter months, there is less sunlight. It's cold, less photosynthesis will occur. So the food that is stored is used for respiration, for daily plant functions. 5 things plants need in the right amounts to grow. Right amounts means not too much or not too little. These 5 things you should remember. They are light, warmth, carbon dioxide, water, and nutrients for the soil or from the soil. This is a greenhouse. Greenhouses are designed to control the amounts of the 5 things that plants need. Has windows on the top. These windows open and close to control the temperature. There are different devices that control the amount of water that the plants receive, and very complex greenhouses. There are devices that also control the amount of carbon dioxide in the greenhouse. When things go wrong, so not enough light, the leaves will start to turn yellow. There's an example in the picture. Not enough carbon dioxide. Not enough carbon dioxide. Again, leaves die and fall off. They turn yellow and fall off. Another, wilting. The picture shows a plant that is wilting. There's not enough water to help the plant stand up. Fertilizers. Fertilizers are added to soil. They add mineral salts and other dissolved nutrients to the soil. They're needed to promote growth and help the plant stay healthy. Potassium is needed for the development of flowers and fruits. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and magnesium. We'll be talking about these 3. You need to know all 4. Nitrogen is needed for the development of leaves. With a nitrogen deficiency, the leaves turn yellow and grow poorly. Phosphorus is needed for the development of the roots. Roots grow poorly. Hard to tell because the roots are underground, but you can also see the phosphorus deficiency in the leaves. Magnesium is needed for chlorophyll. So if you have brown tipped leaves or die off on the leaves, on the tips, then you know you have a magnesium deficiency. Okay, we're going to talk about seed dispersal. Many different ways that seeds can be spread out. These include the wind, explosion. You can see the picture on the top is seed explosion. And also water. Animals will eat seeds and poop them out in different locations. Birds. Again, birds eat seeds. How birds and animals help seed dispersal. Okay, some seeds are hidden in the ground. Some fruits have hooks on them and cling to fur or clothes. how birds and animals help seed dispersal. Again, the word we're going to use for pooping out seeds is excrete. So birds and animals eat the fruit and excrete the seeds of a plant. Excrete, to poop out. And name the type of seed dispersal. So the picture in the top, if we start at about, if this was a clock, about 10 o'clock, you'll see there's a seed that the man is holding in his hand, and that would be wind. The one at 12 o'clock is going to be it's a clinging seed, and it will grab onto the fur or hair of an animal. So the dog below has a lot of these clinging seeds attached to it. The seed up at the top at about 1 o'clock is spread on the wind. The one below it is when seeds are excreted, pooped out by animals. There's a picture of a bird eating papaya. It will spread seeds. Water, the coconut seed floating in the ocean. The next seed, I believe, is a maple, and it's spread on the wind. And the last seed is on a shoe, and it's a clinging seed. That's the end of our PowerPoint, our lecture today. Make sure you've written down all your notes, and I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.